It's Ashley, and today we are unboxing Sips By. If you're not familiar with this, this is a customized tea discovery subscription box. When you sign up for Sips By, you're going to fill out a survey that asks about your flavor profile, your caffeine level loves, all the things that you like. And then from there, they build you a box. Every box includes 4 different teas, enough for, I believe, 15 plus cups. And they're $16 each. So once you get all your teas, you try them all out, you go back on the Sips By website and you tell them what you thought. And then from there, they continue to build a profile for you. Mine is perfect. It is literally excellent. I have a mixture of caffeinated, non-caffeinated, and they always send me a good amount of floral teas, which is really important to me. I love floral tea. We're gonna get right into my box. $16 a month, I think I said that. And yeah, and then they do come out with like one-time boxes you can buy in their shop that are like themed. Like they had one that was like bride-to-be boxes, and I don't remember, just all sorts of like, there was a chai box, there was a wellness tea box, just anything you could think of. All right, so this is the November box, which I'm on time, guys. Woo! And then it tells you about each of the teas included. We're going to look at that at the end. But it says 3 things to know this November. 1, we're grateful for you. Thank you for being a tea friend. Use code GRATEFUL at checkout to take $10 off your next purchase of $30 or more. They have a members only tea party. And they have, their tea shop is updated with new stuff. And then the claim early Black Friday offers daily November 13th through the 20th if you sign up for their text messages. So there's that. I will link to Sips By down below. With my affiliate link, they do send these boxes to me for review, just so you guys know before we get in here. But my opinion is unaltered. All right. So first up, I see a bunch of stash teas. There are 4. This is their Earl Grey Double Bergamot. So bergamot is like an orange, and Earl Grey usually always has bergamot in it. So it's blended black tea and bergamot oil. There are 4 bags of this. Stash tea makes really wonderful tea, and I do like it, so I'm excited about that. That's going to have, because it's a black tea, it's going to have a high caffeine level. So then next up, we have the Leaves of Leisure Autumn Breeze tea. We're going to have to find out what kind of tea this is on the sheet when we're done. This is a loose leaf. Hold on, we'll look right now. Why wait? This is a caffeine-free tea. It includes ginger, tulsi, cinnamon, anise, orange pieces, apple pieces, star anise, pink peppercorns, and safflower petals. That sounds really good. And it's perfect for this time of year, which I love. Yay! All right, every box from Sips By includes some disposable tea bags, because you do receive, like I said, loose leaf tea. They come in this cool little sachet. You can reuse this. You can use it as a tea bag. I use it to make chicken soup. I put the neck and all the things with little bones in there. All right. Second to last, we have from Tea Kitten, the Darling Green Tea. In here you have green tea, sugar hearts, flavor, rose petals, rose buds. It does contain nuts and almonds. So this sweet rose green tea blend will make you smile, speckled with heart sprinkles. It's a charming brew you'll fall in love with. Perfect for sharing with your nearest and dearest. It is cute, and this is also a loose leaf tea. So, all right, final tea. Here we go, guys. What is it? It's from Tiny Bee Tea. This is Rose Apricot Nectar Oolong. Cute little package with little fat fuzzy bumblebees. I love it. In here you have oolong tea, papaya, apple, apricot, natural flavoring, and red rose petals. Can you tell that they know I love rose? What I love about this box is, 1, lots of florals. That's right off the bat. It's a huge array of florals. Beyond the tea bags that we got, we have 4 different teas, and they run the gamut of herbal to caffeinated. So we have our caffeine-free Autumn Breeze tea. Super excited for that. Then we have our oolong and green tea, which are kind of like medium caffeine, right? Like, I think like oolong has like some caffeine. It's not a lot though. So those are nice. And then we have the stash tea, which is high caffeine. So it is a really nice mix. Again, like I said, I will link down below 2 Sip Spice, so if you want to check them out, you can. I like having a different amount of tea around at all times, just so I can have it if I want it. No pressure. And I will link down below with my affiliate link, as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.